Hello children, I am James. Today I am going to teach you class 3 moral science lesson number 6 and the topic name is gaining knowledge. Dear children, in this chapter we learn what is the importance of knowledge. Okay, what is the importance of knowledge and why we must get education, why we must get knowledge. Okay, so this chapter is very interesting. So relating to gaining knowledge I am going to tell you. Okay, learning means acquiring knowledge or skill. What is the meaning of acquiring? Acquiring means to get or obtain. Learning things at school is very important. The different subjects that we learn at school such as English, Hindi, Maths, Science, History, Geography, Computer, GK, Physical Education, etc. give us the knowledge to live our lives intelligently and wisely. Okay? Knowledge gives us the power to live a successful life. Knowledge is very, very important, okay? Because it is giving us the power to live a successful life. Without knowledge, we are useless, okay? So knowledge is very, very essential for our lives, okay? With the help of knowledge, we can take right decisions at right time, okay? Learning has no limitations. Learning has no limitations or age bar. Whether small boys or any ages, okay? We have to go on living whole through our life, okay? It continues forever. We learn new things throughout life, okay? We are going on learning till death. We learn, okay? Till death, unless until we die, then we are going on learning, okay? We learn new things throughout life. Paying attention in class and learning new things is very essential. What is the meaning essential? Essential means needy or important or necessary. And because of this knowledge can save our lives. Okay, if you have knowledge, then this knowledge can save our lives. Okay, so dear children, so related to this gaining knowledge, I am going to tell a story. Okay, are you getting me? So let us listen to me carefully and try to get it. Okay, so narrow escape. Okay, the heading of this story is narrow escape. Okay. Tilly Smith was 10-year-old English girl. There was a English girl, her age was 10 years. Are you getting me? On 26 December 2004, Tilly was in Phuket in Thailand on a holiday trip with her family. Okay? They were taking a stroll on the beach near the hotel. Tilly was fond of beaches and was enjoying herself there. What is the meaning of fond? Here fond means like. Okay, she was loving. Okay, she was loving beaches and she was enjoying like that. Okay. Suddenly she noticed so dear children, once again I am repeating. Suddenly she noticed something strange. Strange means very surprising or unusual. Okay, the sea, which was so calm a while ago, was becoming very rough. The water was bubbling, foaming and sizzling as if it was in a frying pan. Okay, frying pan. Okay, once again repeating, the water was bubbling, foaming and sizzling as if it was in a frying pan. Tilly remembered the video clip which her geography teacher had showed her a few weeks ago. Suddenly, that video clip came into her mind and she remembered that her geography teacher had showed her a few weeks ago. She became terrified. What is the word terrified? Terrified means afraid, okay, or scared. She was scared. She said to her mother, "Mom or mother, there are symptoms of tsunami. Let us move away from here quickly." Tilly Smith told her mother, "Mom, There are symptoms of tsunami. Let us move away from here quickly. Her mother, who had never heard about the tsunami before, did not pay heed to her, or did not pay attention to her or her words. Okay? She said, Tilly Smith, calm down. It is nothing. Don't worry. It will happen nothing. Okay? Tilly tried to convince her mother. What is the meaning of convince here? Persuade or assure. Tilly tried to assure her mother. She said, Mama, probably there has been an earthquake somewhere deep in the sea. Soon a crushing wave is about to come over this beach. Okay? So, Tilly Smith was very afraid. She was very scared. But her mother was not bothering anything, because she did not know about tsunami, what was tsunami and how that comes. Okay, she doesn't know about the tsunami. She did not know any about that. Okay, her mother did not pay any attention to Tilly's anxiety. What is the anxiety? Worry. Okay, she continued walking on the beach. Tilly's anxiety increased. Okay, Tilly was worrying too much. She said to her mother, I am serious, Mom. I am very serious. Let us leave the beach and also tell everyone to do so. Tilly's father was Mr. Smith. Okay, the name of Tilly's father was Mr. Smith. So Tilly's father, Mr. Smith, said to Tilly's mother, I think we should listen to Tilly and move away from here quickly. We should warn other people to do. Okay? Once again repeating, we should warn or give warning to other people also. Are you getting me? Yes, the whole family rushed back to the hotel. What is the word? Rushed back, ran quickly, okay? Ran away from there. The whole family rushed back to the hotel. As soon as they reached their hotel, Mr. Smith was Tilly's father. Mr. Smith informed the hotel staff about the symptoms of tsunami. After this, he and some of the hotel staff rushed to the beach and persuaded the people. What is the word persuaded here? Convinced, okay, who were still there, to vacate the beach as quickly as possible. What is the word vacate? Vacate means to leave or to get away from there. Within few minutes, 3 massive waves struck the beach, one after the other, wiping out everything that was there. Tilly saved her family and hundreds of other people who had vacated the beach in time. Later, it was found that their beach was one of the most fortunate beaches in Thailand, where people had never escaped from the dangerous tsunami waves. Everyone praised Tilly for her presence of mind. What is the meaning here? Praised means honored, okay, or respected, or appreciated, okay. So dear children, I hope you have understood. So if you have not understood, please read 2-3 times this chapter and then you will understand, okay, as well as you have to watch video. So now I will tell you some word mix and then I will tell you the moral of the stories, okay. So let us see some word mix. I have written a completed word mix, and I have not told you about the story characters, okay. So their story characters I am going to tell you. Tilly and her family. So Tilly and her family were the story characters, okay. Tilly and her family. So these all were the main characters of this, okay, or this story characters. Understand? And what is the value of this chapter? The value of this chapter is learning, okay. It is very important. Okay, what is the value of this chapter? The value of this chapter is learning. Okay, learning or acquiring knowledge. Are you getting me? So now let us see some wordings. Okay, here I have written here escape. What is the meaning escape? Run away. Okay, run away. Calm down. Quiet or relax. Okay. Gaining is acquire or get knowledge. You can look at that. Decisions. What is the decision? Choice or decide. Essential. What is the essential? Necessary or needy. Okay. Stroll. Okay. Stroll means a slow walk. Okay. A slow walk near the beach or near the river. Understand? Font. What is the font? Your light or praise. Sorry. Font means light. Understand? And praise here. Praise is applaud or appreciate or honor. Okay. Let us see next. Beach. What is the word beach? Beach means seaside or seashore. Okay. Suddenly means instantly or immediately. Okay. Let us see next. Stand means unusual or surprise. Bubbly. Okay. Bubbly, the ball of air. A ball of air is called bubbling. Okay. Foaming and bubbling both are same. Okay. So you can say foaming means bubbling. Are you getting me? Sizzling. What is sizzling? Sizzling means frying. Okay. Frying or boiling. Okay. So let us see next. Symptoms. What is the symptoms? Symptoms sign or mark. Okay. Mark. Convince means assure or persuade. Okay. Anxiety means worry. Here probably, perhaps or maybe. Crushing means press or squash or squeeze. Okay. Rust means rain. Persuade means convince. Okay. Vacate. What is the word vacate? Vacate means leave or to get out. Fortunate. It's very simple. Okay. Fortunate means lucky. Everyone knows it. Okay. So now let us see more of the story. So dear children, now I am going to tell you the moral of the story. Okay. Let us see the moral of the story. The moral of the story. Let us see. So what you learn in class is important. What you learn in class is important. Be attentive in class. So dear children, it is very important. Okay. So whatever things you learn in the class, whenever you are sitting in the class, you must listen to your teachers very attentively. Okay. Whatsoever they tell you, you must put in mind. Okay. And you must say to your mind that things may help you in your life. Okay. So same things happened with Tilly Smith also. Okay. When she was in the class, she was very attentive. Understand? She was very attentive and she used that class 1. Okay. Class knowledge that time. Okay. Near the beach. Understand? So it is very important to be attentive in the class. Understand? So and dear children, the heading of this story was narrow escape. Okay. Narrow escape. Understand? What is narrow escape? Unfortunate escape. Okay. Or barbal bachna. Understand? So it was the heading of this. Understand? This story, narrow escape. Are you getting me? It is an Indian local phrase. Okay. This is a phrase. So meaning of this is barbal bachna or unfortunate escape. Okay. Or lucky escape. Are you getting me? So dear children, I hope you have understood. Please complete all your exercises, read your books and then try to understand. Okay. So bye. Thank you.